Hello everyone, my name is Ana Andrade, and today for my assignment I will be talking about nouns within the Standards of Common Core. This subject is targeted towards 3rd through 6th graders but can be used as a review towards an upper grade level. I have also incorporated a couple of exercises that will allow the students to interact within the material within this content. However, if you're not in a classroom setting, it is okay. You're still able to practice these exercises on your own or with a person. Now, for the first thing we're going to be demonstrating is what is a noun within a song, explaining to us what nouns are.
Children's songs, sing and move along. Children's songs, make your brain and body strong. What is a noun? Everybody sing. A noun is a person, place, or thing. What is a noun? Everybody sing. A noun is a person, place, or thing. A noun is the name of a person. Like this: teacher, scientist, singer, mother, president, dancer, sister, brother. A noun is the name of a place. Like this: library, schoolyard, restaurant, hall, office, stadium, classroom, mall. A noun is the name of a thing. Like this: bicycle, pencil, pumpkin, car, football, computer, iPod, star. What is a noun? Everybody sing. A noun is a person.
What are nouns? Nouns are person, place, things, or ideas, such as wanting world peace as an example. With a partner, tell them what nouns are, or if you're on your own, write them down. Pause the video if we need some time. Now we're going to look at proper versus common nouns. Proper. A proper noun is a specific name of a person, place, or thing, and it's always capitalized. A common noun is the opposite of a proper noun. In a common noun, the words are always lowercase unless they appear at the beginning of a sentence or in a title. The words are general words and not specific words. Notice that I have underlined specific key terms that will allow you to see and hopefully remind you the differences between the proper versus common nouns, such as proper, specific name, and always capitalized. And in common, they are always lowercase and general words, unless they appear at the beginning of a sentence or in a title. Now let's look at the types of nouns. We have proper noun, possessive noun, and plural noun. Let's look at proper noun. A noun that is used to denote a particular person, place, or thing. They're also called proper name. So another name for proper noun is proper name. Some examples: aunt, California, and cow. Aunt is a person, California is a place, and cow is a thing. Proper noun example sentences. On your own or with a partner, try to figure out what the proper noun is within this sentence. Camila is the cutest puppy ever. Pause the video if you need to figure out what the proper noun is. Camila. Camila is the cutest puppy ever. So Camila is the proper noun within the sentence because it is capitalized, indicating that it is a name. That is our first clue. Second clue is we're talking about a thing, which is the puppy, and the puppy's name is Camila. Now let's look at possessive nouns. This possessive form is used with nouns referring to people, groups of people, countries, and animals. To form the possessive, and add an apostrophe plus an s to the noun. If the noun is plural or already ends in s, just add an apostrophe after the s. An example, Sophia's shoes. We see that we're talking about one person, not multiple Sophias, but just one person. Therefore, we need to put an apostrophe between the A and the S, making it Sophia's shoes. Therefore, the shoes, Sophia is possessing the shoes. With your partner or on your own, try to figure out what the possessive nouns are within the sentence, with these two sentences. Pause the video if you need to. We have the shoes of Marina. Eliana's friends are nice. Number 1. The answer is Marina's shoes. We're seeing that Marina is taking possession of the shoes. Therefore, we're saying that only one Marina, therefore Marina's shoes. Eliana's friends are nice. We're only talking about one person as well, Eliana's. Therefore, we needed to add an apostrophe between the A and the S. Now let's look at plural nouns. Plural nouns are words used to indicate that there is more than one person, animal, place, things, or ideas. We also see that we change the spelling or the sentences within the words to make them plural. Let's look at them. Mouse are mices. So there's one mouse, but when there's more than one mouse, it becomes mice. One book, we add 2 books because now there are 2 books, not one book. Knife, now becomes knives. We notice that we changed the FE to VES. Again, with a partner or on your own, try to figure out how we can change these nouns into plural nouns. Lady, ladies. Mouse, mice. Choice, choices. Day, days. Lady became not just one lady, but multiple ladies. Mouse became not just one mouse, but multiple mice. Choice became not just one choice, but multiple choices. And day, now there are many other days. For tonight's homework, we are going to practice proper versus common nouns, and tomorrow morning we will review them together. Alright, teachers, so for tonight's homework assignment, just come back and review it with them if you want to. Now, if you're not talking about nouns, you can also go to this awesome website that I found, which it gives you different kinds of assignments or practices that you can give to your classroom about adjectives, nouns, or any kind of spelling, or trying to figure out what kinds of errors, and it's a pretty neat source to go to. And these are my sources that I used for today. Thank you very much, and if you like this video, comment on the section below or give a thumbs up.